Classification is the organisation of organisms into groups depending on their structure and characteristics. There may be multiple ways of classifying organisms, for example, based on colour. In this case, we've organised these organisms into animals and plants. What are the 5 kingdoms according to the Linnaean classification system? The system developed by Linnaeus classifies things into a series of groups, starting with the largest group, kingdom. This diagram shows the 5 kingdoms which you will have met elsewhere in the course. What are the subsequent groups? After kingdom, we then further classify organisms into phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. A good mnemonic to help you to remember the classification categories is king penguins climb over frozen grassy slopes. So we start with kingdom, then phylum, then class, order, family, genus, and finally, species.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!